The purpose of this section is to familiarize you with work, power, and energy calculations. Before we get started, think a minute about the different types of work you are familiar with. In school, you have homework, and sometimes busy work. You can complete artwork, if you are artistic. You also probably work to earn a paycheck. In this section, we won't be talking about any of these types of work. Instead, we will be discussing mechanical work, which is different than all of these other types of work. Let's first look at a definition of what mechanical work is. Work is done by one object on another object if the object moves. In this example, the person is pushing a shopping cart. They are doing work on the shopping cart because the cart or the object moves. If the shopping cart were really heavy, they might be pushing it, but it might not move. In that case, no work is done since the shopping cart wouldn't move. Let's take a look at our formula for work. Work is equal to a force multiplied by the distance traveled. The force that we are using must be in the direction of motion. Looking at our equation circle, we will have work on top with force and distance both on the bottom. Our English units for work are foot-pounds or pound-feet. Force is measured in pounds, and distance will be measured in feet. Our metric unit for work are joules, abbreviated with a capital J. Force is measured in newtons, abbreviated by N, which should look familiar from the last chapter. Distance is measured in meters. Let's take a look at what the units for work actually are telling us. In the English system, 1 foot-pound is the work done to push an object with a force of 1 pound through a distance of 1 foot. In this picture, we are applying 1 pound of force to the box and we move it 1 foot. With work, it doesn't matter how fast we push the box 1 foot, as long as the box is being pushed 1 foot. In the metric system, 1 joule is the work done to push an object with a force of 1 newton through a distance of 1 meter. In this picture, we are applying 1 newton of force to move the box 1 meter. This is what 1 newton meter or 1 joule is. In the next video, we will take a look at solving some problems using work, force, and distance in both the English and metric systems.